now we're going to make the pickles that are kind of like wavy. Kind of wavy. So what you can do is just take the back of a paintbrush and just kind of make some little marks. So I'm just pressing in slightly, like so. Okay, now we just have 2 more steps here. Now what we want to do on this one is take some piping gel. Now if you've watched the hot dog video, I've showed you how to make relish, so I kind of have this saved. If you didn't watch that, all you want to do then is actually just take some clear piping gel and add some yellow, green, and brown gel food color to make this kind of a yellowy green color. And you will just want to brush on top of the pickle. Doesn't that look all nice and slimy like a real pickle? Okay, then on this, it's pretty much done except for the little seeds. And the seeds I'm going to actually show you later because we're going to have sesame seeds on the bun, and I'll just do that. It's just more efficient to do that at the same time. But if you were making these items ahead of time, you can have your whole tray of veggies ready. I would just have it at this stage and then you'll add the seeds later. So I'll go ahead and put that with my lettuce. Put the lid back on the gel because that will dry out. So now we are ready for our tomato or our tomato, whichever you prefer to call it. We will start with our white fondant. And we could use the same cutter, round cutter that we used on the pickle. I'm just going to do one without a cutter, just showing that you don't need a cutter. It's just a little bit easier, faster if you do. Okay, so I just made this basically into a ball. And then I'll flatten it out a little bit. Just with my thumb. See, what I'm doing is I'm turning it in my hands using my thumbs as my tool. And have it just about like so. And we shall take some of the red fondant. And I want to just roll this into a cord just like I did around the pickle. Okay. And that might be a little thick. So all you have to do is roll it out a little bit more. And it doesn't have to be a nice even cord. That's the beauty of this. Because they're not all the same. Okay, just kind of get it going like that. Get your roller, again, roll on top, both ways. And don't worry, it doesn't have to be completely round because tomatoes are not all the same and they're not completely round. Use your spatula again to lift that up, make sure it's not sticking.